For today's telecommunications provider, building loyalty means connecting with your customers wherever they are, whether it's online or in-store, even from their mobile devices. And with people spending more and more time on the social web, the opportunity to understand them and tailor your engagement with them to boost your brand is better than ever. In this demo, we're going to show you how a typical customer's experience can be transformed, all from the cloud, into an opportunity to elevate your brand, build loyalty, and give your customers what they want, sometimes before they even ask for it. Let's follow a typical small business through the communications customer lifecycle. Our customer, Joe Spark, runs an electrical contracting business, and business is booming. He's moving to a new office and looking to get his team set up with internet, landline, and mobile in the new space. Like more and more people are doing, Joe turns to social media and sends a tweet to get recommendations from his peers for a communications provider. This tweet could spell a great opportunity for a carrier like Quadstar. They serve Joe's area, specialize in small business, and are even already Joe's cell phone provider. But there are millions of these types of conversations going on at once, and if Quadstar doesn't know about Joe's need, they can't help him. Fortunately, Quadstar is a socially connected business. They use the Marketing Cloud to listen and engage with people on the social web. With Marketing Cloud, Quadstar sees what's going on in their industry, competitive trends, customer sentiment, and can even capture individual tweets and posts based on content like this tweet from Joe. The tweet contains buying signals, so the Marketing Cloud automatically routes it to Peter Jones, a sales agent at Quadstar, for follow-up. Inbound social leads come to Peter in the Sales Cloud, where he can work through the lead list efficiently, get details on opportunities, and engage in conversations to create new business all in one place. Here, Peter can see how active the incoming leads are on social media with their clout score and followers. This helps Peter prioritize people with social influence. Quadstar is running a promotion right now for small business, so Peter sends a tweet to Joe directly from the Sales Cloud with a link. When Joe clicks on the link in the tweet, it brings him to a Quadstar web page, and he's presented with the promotion, a small business bundle for internet, landline, and mobile. He can easily see a product overview, videos of the product in use, and customer comments from social media on the product and service. The Marketing Cloud makes it easy to design and publish websites, social pages, and mobile experiences with lightning speed, and it's the first web content management system in the cloud. It's built for social, so you can easily add Twitter streams, Facebook likes, and more. Since Joe's already satisfied with Quadstar as his personal carrier, he's interested in getting an idea of their price for his business. The Quadstar e-commerce site uses Joe's social customer profile information to deliver a customized experience based on his preferences, his history with Quadstar, and the latest offers relevant to him. Joe can configure a package to fit his specific needs. In this case, he configures broadband, mobile, and landline phone service. The package adds up to a great deal from a provider he trusts, so he continues through to the checkout. Quadstar gives Joe the option to have his order delivered or picked up at the local store. Social enterprises like Quadstar know that it's important to provide a seamless experience for the customer, whether it's online, in-store, mobile, or over the phone. Because all of the information is in the cloud with Salesforce, it's easy to share information across groups and provide that consistent experience. Joe opts for pickup, and Salesforce uses his location information to direct him to the nearest retail store for an appointment. Sarah Walker is a sales agent working in Joe's local Quadstar retail store. All of Quadstar's agents have clienteling applications on their iPad powered by the Sales Cloud, so they have everything they need to plan their work, maximize sales opportunities, and build lasting relationships with their customers right at their fingertips without being stuck behind a desk. When Sarah logs in, her dashboard shows her how she's performing, how the store's performing, her colleagues, and the badges she's received so far. She can also see in real time how she's performing against her objectives, see the kudos and feedback all taking place in Salesforce work. This helps her stay motivated and aligned to her goals. And when Joe arrives for his appointment, Sarah receives a notification and can quickly review Joe's profile information right from her tablet, which tells her not only the reason for her visit, including his order, but also his history and customer satisfaction, so she can make sure Joe has a great experience at Quadstar. As she works with Joe, she's able to access detailed product information to answer any questions Joe has. In this case, Joe asks about setting up the IP phones, so Sarah walks him through a video right on the tablet. Joe has another question about location services on the mobile phones. This time, Sarah doesn't know the answer, but with Chatter, Sarah has the expertise of her entire company behind her. Salesforce Chatter connects employees wherever they are in a secure private company social network. Teams can easily collaborate on projects, share information, send documents, or in this case, connect with experts to get Joe's question answered quickly. The Sales Cloud also helps expand opportunities. Joe's personal contract is up for renewal, and Sarah's presented with some personalized offers to share with Joe based on his usage and profile. She walks Joe through the options on the iPad. Joe selects his package, including a new handset, and he signs updated contract information right on the iPad. As a happy Joe leaves the store, Sarah gets another kind of notification. She's been successfully closing a lot of upsells like this recently, and she's received a recognition badge from her manager. With Salesforce Work, her manager is able to recognize good work on the spot, giving instant feedback to the team to keep them aligned and motivated. Fast forward a couple weeks, and Joe's having a problem with the landline service, so he decides to give Quadstar a call. His call is received by Julian Davies, a service agent at Quadstar. When Joe calls in, Julian automatically sees a screen pop with all of Joe's details. With the Service Cloud from a single console, Julian can see Joe's account, his services, and his equipment. He can also see Joe's activities on social channels for background context to the call. With Salesforce, Quadstar's agents are able to have a 360-degree view of the customer across all channels, all from a single place. Julian creates a new case for Joe's issue. As he types a description of the problem, he's automatically presented with potential articles from the knowledge base that may be helpful in solving the issue. In this case, Julian's directed to a phone diagnostic script to detect line issues. The diagnostic does a remote reset of the VoIP modem through an integration with Quadstar's network management systems. Salesforce Platform's open APIs make it simple to connect with external systems without painful integration projects. Julian's able to verify with Joe that the issue's solved, and Joe is delighted. The case is closed, and the record of the issue becomes part of Joe's record for future reference. Happy with the results, Joe decides it would only be fitting to tweet his feedback to Quadstar. And again, the Marketing Cloud spots his tweet. But this time, since it's an enthusiastic tweet, it triggers a Refer a Friend campaign offer for Joe. This time, when Joe visits the Quadstar page, he sees the offer, and, with his permission, the Marketing Cloud posts the offer to Joe's wall on Facebook. When Joe's friends respond to the offer, it's tracked in Joe's profile in Salesforce automatically and applies to his account. This kind of end-to-end customer experience has impressed Joe. Right from the first tweet for help, Quadstar's understood his needs, offered the right products for him, answered questions on the spot, and solved problems quickly. Everyone has had a clear picture of his entire history and coordinated as a team to make him a big fan. And Quadstar has not only kept a great customer, by connecting their entire team with Salesforce to create an amazing customer experience, they've expanded their business and improved his satisfaction and loyalty. Thanks for watching this demo, showing how you as a communications provider can transform your business with Salesforce and engage with customers wherever they are to create new fans and boost your business. For more information, visit salesforce.com or visit us on the social web.